welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a clean with me. So I actually posted one of these about a month or so ago. It was a clean with me kitchen edition, and I got really great feedback from you guys. You really seem to enjoy that video. So I'm definitely going to try to incorporate more of these clean with me videos on my channel. So today we're going to be cleaning Uriah's room, and every season I always like to really clean and organize his room, make sure that I'm getting rid of any clothes that he can't wear, anything like that. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing today. And I'm not sure if you guys have seen his room since we moved into the new house. I think you guys did, because it was a darker color, which was I think it was Sherwin-Williams Spalding gray, and I just really didn't like it because it had more of a brown undertone. So I ended up changing the paint color, and I think the name of this one is Ice Storm, Sherwin-Williams Ice Storm. I'm not sure, but I'll have everything linked below. So yeah, this is his new room, and I've gotten a few new pieces for it. So I just wanted to let you guys come along with me as I clean and organize it. So if you like these type of videos, be sure that you're giving it a big thumbs up, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna start by cleaning out the dresser, and I'm going through his sock drawer first and just matching all the socks, getting rid of any that don't have matches and getting rid of any that might be too small for him. So the next drawer is where I keep all of his shirts. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm just going through everything and checking the size, and if he can't wear it, then I like to put it in a pile, and I'll either save it for baby number 2 or donate it. So moving on to the next drawer, this is where I keep all of his shorts, and this one was a little bit more unorganized because there were a lot of things that didn't belong in this drawer in here. So same concept, I'm just checking the size and putting it in a pile if I want to donate it or keep it for baby number 2, and I'm just taking out the stuff that doesn't belong so I can put it in the correct space. So in this drawer, this is where I keep all of his footed pajamas and his 2-piece pajama sets. So in the summer, he normally just sleeps in a onesie because we've noticed that he's really hot-natured and he's just more comfortable in a onesie. So these are more likely the pajama sets that he'll use during the fall and winter months. And here, this is just where I keep his regular onesies. So this is what he's currently sleeping in at night, and he doesn't wear onesies throughout the day because it's just easier for me personally. Whenever I'm changing his diaper, I don't have to worry about snapping and unsnapping. So during the day, he'll just wear a shirt and shorts. So same concept, I'm just going through everything, keeping what he can wear and throwing to the side what he can't wear. Now I'm gonna open up a box of diapers and I'm gonna fill up his tabletop diaper station thing. And I'm also going to put some diapers inside the dresser. And the dresser is actually from Pier 1. I really love it because I know that it'll be able to grow with him and that he'll be able to have it for a long time. So really don't have to plan on buying him another dresser. So yeah, I really love it. I'll put a link below in case you guys are interested in checking it out. So now I'm just going through the toys that we keep in his room. So I'm putting the smaller pieces in a smaller basket and I'll keep the larger items inside the hamper. Just makes it a little bit more organized that way. He doesn't really play with these toys too much, but I think it's just good to go through it and get rid of stuff that might have missing pieces or that he's not really playing with that much. So now I'm just gonna fold and put away the clothes that he can no longer wear, and then when I get a little bit more time, I'll go through it and I'll keep the stuff that we want to keep in case we have another baby and it's a boy, and then the rest of the stuff I'll just end up donating. I don't like to keep every single little thing because that'll just end up being a lot of stuff, and I know that somebody else can get good use out of it. So yeah, I'll just keep what I think is worth keeping and the rest of the stuff I'll donate. So I actually meant to go through this before I put away the Sterilite box, but this is where I keep a lot of his newer items and then just some stuff that I've decided to hang up. So I'm going through it and checking the sizes, and what he can't wear, I throw it in a pile and I'll put it away in the Sterilite box. Recently bought him some new fall pieces, so I'm just gonna put them away in this box and set it to the side. I was thinking about doing a fall haul, like a toddler edition, so yeah, I might do that, but now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off this dresser. So there's not really much inside this dresser. I just bought it because I got a better deal if I bought both of them at the same time, and I figured once he got a little bit older that he would probably have more stuff that we could put in it. So now I'm just gonna hang up this little picture on the wall. I actually got this from Hobby Lobby. It's really cute. So yeah, just put it above the dresser. So now I'm just getting the blanket out of his crib. I'm gonna put it in the dirty clothes hamper. His crib is from RH Baby, in case you guys are interested. I'm gonna hang some new pictures over his bed. So I'm gonna take these down and put them up in his bathroom, which I will be sharing with you guys really soon. But the new pictures, I picked them up from Home Goods and I really love them. It's an elephant and a zebra. And I really love the way that the pictures look over the crib, and I really suck at hanging pictures, so one is a little bit higher, but I was not even gonna risk taking it down and putting it back up, so I'll just get Colton to fix it later. And here I'm just shaking the rug and I'm gonna go over the floors with the vacuum cleaner. And the floors didn't need a full steam mop, so I'm just doing a really quick spot mop. And once everything's all nice and clean, I just like to spray over the room with this Febreze One Spray, which I really have been enjoying. But that's the end of this video, you guys. I hope you're enjoying these clean with me type videos. If you like them, again, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!